It's time for our top 10. Coming in at number 10, Hewlett-Packard shares down almost 6%. Goldman Sachs analyst downgrading his rating on the company to sell from neutral. The analyst says the market is too optimistic about the computer maker's potential and predicts HP's earnings will be weak.
United Health, the insurer, is up more than 4% today. It's the biggest gainer in the Dow. Raymond James upgrades the stock to strong buy from outperform, also raises its price target to $71 from $63 a share. The firm believes United Health stands to benefit from, believe it or not, higher payouts in Medicare. Curious. Not a lot of people would say that.
Number 8 is Hertz. Shares are up nearly 7%. We've been talking about car makers all day. This is the largest publicly traded car rental chain, rising to its highest price in more than 5 years after forecasting a 2015 profit outlook that was well above Wall Street analysts' estimates. Hertz is benefiting from its $2.6 billion acquisition of Dollar Thrifty last year in its fight to gain market share against Enterprise.
All right, number 7, Urban Outfitters climbing 4%. The clothing and accessories company says it's off to a strong start so far during the first quarter. Urban Outfitters reporting that sales at stores open at least a year have grown in the high single digits. Adam's been out shopping again.
Oh, yeah. Love that. Urban Outfitters. All right. Delta shares are falling. I really don't. That's not my, it's not my game, baby.
You do.
Okay? All right. I'm a Brooks Brothers guy. Polo if I'm feeling crazy. All right. What are we talking
Urban Outfitters
here?
is too edgy for you, right?
Yeah, that's right. Delta Airlines shares are falling 8%. The airline says passenger revenue in March was up only 2%. Versus an earlier prediction for as much as 5.5%. Delta says government spending cuts hurt bookings.
Number 5 is BGC. Shares are up 47%. The stock is jumping the most since 2009 after the broker said it would sell its E-Speed bond unit. The CEO, Howard Lutnick, has been diversifying into commercial real estate as bond trading slows.
Yeah, this is a big deal. You know, it's all about trying to find new revenue streams that you weren't able to
That's quite a picture of Howard. Did you see that picture of Howard?
I did.
Looking like he was trying to straighten his tie?
Yeah, there he is.
No, not that one. That's a good one. But there was the one where he...
yeah. What's
here it is. Like? It comes up.
Oh,
that
yeah.
One.
Very dapper. Maybe, you know, he could almost be a retail guy. Looks like he ought to be running Saks Fifth Avenue with that look.
Smooth character.
All right, yes. Number 4, Humana, up 5%. Medical insurers are up across the board today after the U.S. government reversed a decision to cut a key Medicare payment rate. The decision to cut the rate is being replaced instead with a charge increase.
Nuance Communication. No nuance here. This stock rising more than 5%. Pretty clear what's going on. The speak recognition software maker up the most in almost 8 months after billionaire, he's your guy, Trish, Carl Icahn disclosing a 9.3% passive stake. He is the busiest man on Wall Street these days.
The hardest working man in showbiz.
He really
right
is.
Now, he's very busy. Very, very busy. Keeps me very busy.
Yes, he does.
So are the auto dealers. Number 2 is General Motors and Ford. Both of those companies up after reporting strong sales growth. GM said its U.S. sales rose 6.4%, led by the Silverado and the Traverse crossover. Ford sales rose 5.7%, thanks to record sales of its newly redesigned Fusion, sedan, and Escape SUV. So they're selling some cars, and there's a nice big pickup truck for you.
All right.
It's a good looking truck.
Nice big truck. All right. Speaking of cars, not trucks, our number 1 stock of the day, Tesla, up nearly, well, a little over 1%. Shares shot up after the company released sales numbers for its Model S car that exceeded estimates. This sets up nicely for Tesla's mystery event happening today at 5 p.m. We're about an hour from that, and analysts are speculating we might see the debut of a new car or a second offering. So keep it here. We're going to have full coverage coming up. We also have an exclusive interview with Mr. Musk himself. That's happening at 6 p.m. on Bloomberg West.